Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see how we can bake a cake without using an oven. I'm going to bake the cake in a pressure cooker, but we can use any thick pan with a lid. The ingredients we need for this recipe are It took about 55 minutes to bake this cake. We can use a toothpick to check if the cake has baked completely. I'm going to transfer this to a plate and sprinkle some powdered sugar on it, but it is optional. Try the soft and delicious cake made without an oven and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.